The cat is sleeping. Here is the plan. First, we will take some cheese.
What will the mouse steal next? A. Ham. B. Chicken. A. Ham. What a great choice, my friend! Let's see what they'll do next.
Next, we will get some ham.
Don't forget to grab some chicken.
We will have to do it quickly and silently. Let's go!
Oh! What is it? Let's say, what is it? What is it? That's right, it's pepper.
The cat is waking up. Run!
You did it!